Right now at 6, running out of money and time. A last-minute influx of cash still may not be enough to save 2 Delaware County hospitals from shutting down. Good evening, I'm Don Bell. Yuki Washington is off tonight. On Sunday, a short-term deal was put in place to keep Crozer Health running for another 4 to 6 weeks. That timeline has since shifted. It's now just 2 weeks. Workers and community members rallied this afternoon, demanding a long-term plan. Chief investigative reporter Joe Holden has the new details.
And they were going to destroy us and take this health system from us.
At a late afternoon rally, Crozer Health workers say it felt like a 2 steps forward, 1 step back deal. That agreement hatched over the weekend to keep the troubled health network open buys Crozer-Chester Medical Center and Taylor Hospital and a number of patient care facilities only 2 weeks' time.
Really scary. I mean, we thought we had a lifeline that we would have time to work, because with time we can make this place run correctly again.
Democratic State Representative Leanne Kruger, whose legislative district includes Crozer Hospital, says it buys time so that officials can respond appropriately if the hospitals close.
That essentially buys us about 2 more weeks for a plan to come together.
Is that enough time to get a plan?
So I have not seen the outline of a plan that is actionable today. But I know there have been many conversations, including over the weekend, with the healthcare systems in the region that, frankly, will be most impacted if these hospitals close.
In a bankruptcy hearing Tuesday morning, attorneys for Crozer's owner, Prospect Medical Holdings, as well as the judge and Attorney General's office, praised the work that went into the agreement. Prospect's attorneys said, quoting, "We'll all, as we have been, continue to work towards the goal of preserving health care in Delaware County." Bankruptcy Court Chief Judge Stacey Jernigan pressed for information about a longer-term strategy while acknowledging the short-term funding from the Foundation for Delaware County. It's money that will help the system cover 1 payroll. She said, "We were all looking for a hero in this. Sounds like we have a few heroes. Thanks and kudos to everyone who is working hard to find a long-term solution to avoid an abrupt closure." There are upwards of 3,000 jobs hanging in the balance and still questions about patient care if there is a shutdown. That leaves people unnerved and frustrated.
The local people don't have the resources to travel 30 minutes to other hospitals, so they're not going to get medical care. And without these hospitals here, people are going to die.
So next up at this point is a hearing on March 26th. That is when the judge is hoping for long-term solutions. We'll continue to follow. Outside Crozer-Chester Medical Center, Joe Holden, CBS News, Philadelphia.